How to find someone's Instagram account by photo. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can find someone's Instagram account by photo. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, open up your Instagram. After opening up your Instagram, you just need to navigate to the search bar and here search for the person that you are looking for. So you just need to go to the search bar and type in the person you want to look up for. I'm just going to type in this person for now. After that, if you want to look up to that person's profile, the new Instagram update really makes it easier for you to just tap on their profile. And it will make it easier for you to zoom in into the picture very easily in order to verify it. So if the person you are searching for has a profile picture as themselves on their DP, you will be able to recognize them. So you just need to go to the search bar and search for their name or their Instagram handle. After that, look up to their profile. And if that person is someone you recognize, you may just tap on follow and that person may also follow back and you may interact with each other using your Instagram. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.